Do you know someone who is disabled? That probably depends on what you consider to be a disability. There are several definitions for the word disabled. It can mean almost anything, from a mild physical limitation to complete lack of function. One of our specialties here at Craig Swap & Associates is Social Security disability. We have discovered that many people are unaware of or uneducated about Social Security disability benefits. Did you know Social Security pays disability benefits? Maybe you did, but do you know what the requirements are? We would like to take a few minutes to educate you just enough to be aware. Be aware of your neighbor who has a back injury and had to quit his job. Be aware of your aunt who is struggling with cancer. Be aware of your friend who's a stay-at-home mom but really struggles with her health. You might be surprised to find you have friends or family who might qualify for benefits, and they may not even be aware themselves. So what is the Social Security Disability Program? When people work and pay FICA taxes, they are paying into the Social Security Trust Fund. We usually think of this fund strictly for retirement, but there are a few other benefits that come from Social Security, including survivor's benefits and disability benefits. It is important to understand that Social Security is an insurance program. If you have a fairly regular work history and have paid FICA taxes or self-employment tax along the way, there is a good chance you are insured for disability benefits. For a full-time worker who does not have significant breaks in work, you can usually receive benefits if you become disabled within 5 years of stopping work. This is important to know for individuals who may become disabled while in a period of unemployment or perhaps after leaving the workforce, such as in the case of an early retirement or a parent who has left the workforce to care for children. It is also notable that Social Security administers a second disability program called Supplemental Security Income, or SSI, which is for low-income individuals and is paid for out of the general tax fund. A person must meet certain low-income and low-asset requirements, as well as meet disability requirements in order to qualify for this benefit. Social Security benefits also qualify a person for health care benefits. So, we discussed earlier that the term disability can have many definitions. Let's talk about Social Security's definition. When dealing with Social Security, disability is an inability to work full-time due to health problems. Often, these are health problems that may not even be visible. Less visible disabilities may arise from mental impairments, such as severe depression or anxiety, schizophrenia, or PTSD. Of course, there are many physical conditions such as cancer, arthritis, epilepsy, chronic migraines, back problems, vision or hearing impairments, and autoimmune disorders. And this is just a small sampling. There are many more conditions which might prevent a person from working. So how can you tell if someone you know might qualify for disability benefits? The disability needs to prevent the person from working a regular full-time job. Usually, the disability must also prevent this person from all work, not just the job he or she used to do. Also, for Social Security, a disability must last at least 12 months, whether it has already lasted 12 months or if it is expected to. A person may also qualify for disability if his or her condition is terminal. The bottom line is this: if you know someone with significant health problems who is not working, talk to them about disability benefits. We highly recommend consulting with a law firm to get an analysis of the potential case. Beyond these basics, Social Security uses very complex rules to determine disability, and a law firm can usually give you a good idea as to whether or not you have a viable case for disability. These consultations are usually free, and law firms will be able to give you a lot more information than even Social Security itself. If you decide to get legal help, most firms do not charge anything upfront and only charge if and when your case is awarded. Obviously, we think you should call us at Craig Swap & Associates. We work hard to provide quality service to our clients. In particular, our firm is very active throughout the entire process of a claim, from the application itself through appeals and, if necessary, even hearings. We are glad to talk to you about a case and give you more information. So if you or someone you know is facing a disability, please give us a call. One call, that's all.